guys, what's up, and welcome to season 3 of Reinventing the Meal. We've made it. Yo, so we're kicking off this season with some Frita Cubana burgers, and if you can guess from context clues, yes, it is a Cuban dish. Traditionally, the burger blend is with beef and pork and sometimes chorizo, but what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just get some ground pork and chorizo, and that's gonna be my burger blend. So to make this, we're gonna need buns. If you can find Cuban buns, that's awesome, but I just got some basic brioche hamburger buns. I got some ground pork, I got some chorizo, I got those crispy like shoestring potato strips to put on top. You're gonna need a white onion, some minced garlic. For the sauce, you're gonna need ketchup, sriracha, and I'm just gonna include a little bit of mayo for some creaminess, and then just a few spices, yada yada. We'll get there. So to get started, we're gonna get the prep out of the way. You're gonna go ahead and toast your buns until you can get a nice, perfect golden brown crust on them. Once you've done that, go ahead and take your white onion and just get a really, really fine, small dice on that. You don't want some massive onion pieces on this. You just want like small little onion bits, like nothing crazy, you know what I mean? Once that's cut up, go ahead and put that aside. Then we are gonna make our amazing sauce, which is gonna be a ketchup base with some sriracha to give it a little heat. I wanted to throw in just a little mayo just to make it a little creamy. Then you're gonna throw in a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and some paprika. Mix that all together until nice, smooth, perfect, and combined, and then you can go ahead and put that aside. And now for our burger blend, which is gonna be a ½ pound of ground pork and then 2 links of chorizo that you're gonna cut open, and you're gonna, you know, like, not suggestively push it out of the casing, but you know, it is what it is. Food is food. So many people are scared of raw meat, but like you really just gotta learn to get the f over that. Anyway, then to your blend, you're gonna add some of your minced garlic. I'd say about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Then you're gonna add your salt, your pepper, your paprika, and your cumin, and then you're just gonna mix that up to combine. This blend should give you like 2 burger patties, so you can go ahead and once it's all blended, separate those into 2 balls, and then you're gonna start forming your patties. A quick pro tip when you're making any sort of burger from scratch, you always wanna make the burger like a little bit bigger than the width of the bun, just because you're gonna lose so much water and moisture in those burgers and they're gonna shrink. So you're just compensating for that. And then once you have your patties formed, you're gonna go ahead and put your pan to medium-high heat, and you're gonna go ahead and lay those on there. I would say about 3 to 4 minutes each side, and that should be solid. But before you flip them over, oh, that's right, I forgot to mention you need your favorite hot sauce. For me, it's Cholula. Before you flip over your burger patties, go ahead and douse the top with some hot sauce and then flip it over so that hot sauce like cooks in to the burger, you know what I'm saying? That's what they do in the restaurants from what I've seen with travel videos, XYZ, like what they do in Miami and stuff. It looked like a great idea. And then once it's cooked on its other side for about 3 to 4 minutes, you can start assembling. So you're gonna make sure both of your burger buns are gonna have that amazing sauce that you made. The saucier, the better. On top of the sauce, you're gonna put some of your fresh cut diced white onions. You're gonna lay your patty neatly on top of that and then just absolutely load it with some of those shoestring potatoes. If you really want to be a try-hard, you can make your potato chips from scratch, but I am not feeling that type of way today. So we just got the, you know, easy ones already chipped and everything. And then once your shoestring potato chips are on there, you just put the lid on it, which I really hope you put sauce on both buns, I'm just saying. I know that I say that I'm excited to eat something like every single episode, but like it's just extra when it's a burger with potato chips on it. Oh my God. Wait, I'll talk about this in a second, hold up. There's probably stuff all over my face, but like, honestly, I'm just at a point where I don't care. Have you ever eaten something so good that you kind of just like want to start crying? That's about where I'm at right now with this. I don't think my body can like formulate any other response except to get emotional. Needless to say, this is really fucking good. You got perfect amount of heat from the sauce and from the chorizo and from the extra hot sauce and you're grilling things. You got the amazing crunchiness of those potato chip strip things. God, I can't even talk. This is so good. I feel like I don't ask for much. I'm not a needy friend, but you gotta make this. Oh my God. Okay, no, I need a moment. We gotta end this video. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.